Immaculately maintained home on 3 lots, 2 parcels equals 0.435 acre combined, with room to build another home on the second lot if desired. This 3-bed, 2-bath home features an open living design with formal dining, large kitchen with laundry room, and generous living room. Split bedroom plan with master suite on one side and 2 guest rooms on the other. Walk-in closets in every bedroom. Nice front deck, parking in front and or back, and cement walkways in front and back. Washer, dryer, refrigerator, dishwasher, electric range, blinds, curtains, and white metal storage shed all convey. Wooden shed does not convey. Home is connected to city water/sewer/trash service. Electricity is due progress. Sellers are almost finished packing. Please excuse the boxes/bags in pictures, will be cleared out before showings begin.Home will convey with a structural engineer's certificate if required by lender. Inspection has already been done and the foundation is up to code.